Hello and welcome to the tutorial on uploading compliance reports in AQRR. To upload a compliance report, you'll need to log in to AQRR Compliance Reporting. From the home page, select the AQRR Compliance Reporting button and enter your login information when prompted. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The information displayed in this video is from a test server, and the reports shown were generated by DNR staff for demonstration purposes only. To upload a compliance report, you'll select the Upload Document button at the top of the dashboard. This will bring you to the Compliance Report Upload page. You'll select the applicable facility name and number, and then the document type. If you select a Title V report, it'll ask for the permit number. If you select SIMS-COMS, you'll also have to enter in the quarter. And if you select an NSPS or NESHAP, you'll enter in the subpart. To attach files, you can drag and drop the files. You can select within the box, or you can select the Browse button. Once all information has been entered and the file or files are attached, you'll click on the Upload button. The report has now been uploaded. If no changes are needed, you can select the Return to Dashboard button, or if you're a responsible official, you can move on to certifying and submitting the report. If you do need to make changes or upload additional documents, you can do so from this page. You have the ability to change the report type and then the additional details. You also have the ability to add attachments, delete attachments, and you can also delete the entire submission if it was entered in error. If you need additional information, please see the AQRR External User Guide or email the AQRR Help Desk at aqrr@dnr.iowa.gov.